Before we start, let's pray. Mr. Policarpio, lead the prayer. Good morning, class. Okay, sit down. Please pick the paper inside your seat. Before we start, let's check the attendance. Miss Secretary, who will absent for today? Okay, none. Very good. Last meeting, we will discuss the using method. Can you remember what method we will use? Okay, Miss Reyes. Okay, very good. The first method we use is extracting square root. Another. Yes, Miss Barb. Okay, good. Using factoring. And last, yes, Mr. Policarpio. Good. Using complete square root. Class, I will give you one scenario that will give you a value. In the municipality of Buena Vista, garbage is segregated and to be collected by the garbage truck. There is garbage that was not collected by the truck. Why? Yes, because the garbage is not segregated. Always remember, you must put the proper waste on exact trash can. Remember this. Do what is right, not what is easy. In mathematics, if you can't put the right answer on the right position, you must get wrong answer. Especially on our topic for today. Our topic for today is quadratic equation. We will start to what is standard form. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Always remember the pair of a is x squared, the pair of b is x, and c is single, and always equal to 0. We will have a group activity, the title, Getting to Know Me. I will group you into 5. Group 1 is first row, group 2 is second row, group 3, third row, 4, fourth row, and 5, fifth row. Answer D. Identify the A, B, and C of the quadratic equation. I will give you 15 minutes to answer this in one full sheet of paper. Okay, let's check. The answer of number 1 is A 2, B is 9, C is 10, and number 2, A 5, B negative 15, and C 10. Number 3, this is not the right standard form. So this is quick equation we can we can fix. So the standard form of this equation is 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 equals 0. So answer is A2, B7, C6. The, the method of solving quadratic equation is by using quadratic formula. So important of knowing the standard form as well as A, B, and C. This is one factor to solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x squared x equals b negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. There are 5 simple steps to solve the quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Step 1. Determine the a, b, and c of the quadratic equation. This is our activity before the start. And step 2, copy the quadratic formula. This is a project before. Step 3, substitute the a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. Step 4, solve. Step 5, separate addition and subtraction. I will give you an example. First example, find the solution of x squared plus 9x plus 8 equals 0. First step, we determine the a, b, and c. A is 1, b is 9, and c is 8. The next step is copy or write the quadratic formula. X equals negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. And the next step is substitute the a, b, and c. Negative, the b is 9, positive negative square root of b is 9 squared minus 4, a is 1, c is 8, all over 2 times 1. We solve, when we solve, negative 9, positive negative square root of what is 9 squared? Okay, 81. 4 times 1, 4 times 8, 32. All over 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. Then, negative 9 plus negative square root of what is square root of what is 81 minus 32? Okay, 49. Over 2. Then now, what is square root of 49? Okay, 7. Then we separate the addition and subtraction. First, the addition. Negative 9 plus 7 over 2 equals negative 2 over 2. The answer is negative 1. Then, let's solve the negative. Negative 9 minus negative 7 divide 2 equals negative 16, because there are same sign, so we add this 9 and 7. The answer is 16 divide 2. The answer is negative 8. So, question. Okay, tomorrow understanding, I will give another example. Find the solution of x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Then first step is determine the A, B, and C. The A is 1, B is negative 4, C is negative 12. Then next is write the quadratic formula. X equals to negative D, positive negative square root of B minus squared minus 4 times A times C, all over 2 times A. Then substitute negative times negative 4, positive negative square root negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 12, and all over 2 times 1, 1, 2. And then next, negative times negative equals positive. So the 4 is positive. Positive negative square root of what is negative 4 squared. Okay. Positive 16 minus 4 8 minus negative 48 all over 2, and then 4 positive negative 16 negative times negative positive plus 48 all over 2. So next, 4 positive negative square root of 64 all over 2. Then what is square root of 64? Okay, very good. 8. So we separate A, addition and subtraction. The addition is 4 plus 8 divide 2 equals 12. Divide 2 is 6. and then we solve the subtraction. 4 minus 8 over 2 equals negative 4 divided 2 equals negative 2. The answer is 6 and negative 2. Question. Okay, none. I will give you a short quiz. Answer this following, and I will give you a 30 seconds to answer this. Okay, let's check. The answer of number 1 is negative 1 and negative 9. 2 points of answer and 3 points in solution. The answer of number 2 is negative 2 and negative 3, same as number 1 point, and negative number 3 is 1/2 and 1/2. So the total of 15 points. So who will get perfect score? Very good. Let's end this our discussion before we go and write this on your notebook, and we will answer this tomorrow. Okay, class, done. Okay, good day.